Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to create a product on ThingLink.com. So let's get started. I'm going to click on My Content where it's going to go to the page where it shows your content, and we're going to click on Create. Now, today we're going to start with something simple, which is having an image and then inputting little links and text and pictures into the image. Let's click on image and click here on upload, or you can go to Google Drive, wherever you have your images. I'm going to go to upload and I'm going to click this picture of Spain and I'm going to click continue. Now I'm going to click on that picture that I just uploaded and here we have it. Now to start editing it, we're going to click on this pencil right here, which says edit. And here is where we start editing the picture. So now I'm going to click on add tag. Here I've added a tag and I can put it wherever I want in the picture until the picture ends. So I'm going to put it right here in the middle and I'm going to make it a label text. Now, I want to change the label to one that is more like a pin drop on a map. I'm going to choose this one, and when I click on it, it gives me options of different colors. I'm going to choose the blue one. Now, here in the text, I'm going to write Madrid is the capital of Spain. And I'm done. And then when I hover over it, it shows what I just wrote. Madrid is the capital of Spain. But now let's get more intricate tags. Now let's say I want to add a tag with text and media, like a picture or more pictures. I'm going to click on that one and I'm going to change the tag to be an image. And I'm going to make it this green one. And now I'm going to make the title of this tag to be Sevilla Andalusia Spain. And I've already have my description written. I'm going to upload some images of Andalusia. You can upload one or you can upload many. I'm going to upload many here. And then here it shows you how it's going to look. It's going to have my text, and it's going to have the images with arrows so that people can turn to see the images. And if you click here, this will read the text. It's an immersive reader. But now that I'm done with this, I'm going to click the button Done. And I'm going to move this image to where I want to move it. I just click down on it and I move it to my desired space. Now, let's say that I want to add a video to one of these links. So I'm going to add a tag and I'm going to go to this one that says add content from website. So I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to change the icon. Let me see where it is, right there. And I'm going to choose this color, the pink color. And I already have the URL of the video that I want to input. So I'm just going to copy and paste. And there you have it. You have the video and it will show up just like this when you share it to somebody else. So I'm going to click done. And now I'm going to move my little icon, the little tag, to where I want it to be. And then when someone clicks on it, it'll show the video and the video can play right on here if you click play. Now I'm going to add another type of tag, which is adding a website. So I'm going to click here and I'm also going to use the add content from website and click on that. And I'm going to make this one an I for information. And I already have the link, so I'm just going to copy and paste. And this one, I'm going to move it up here. And if you click on it, it will show you immediately the website that I wanted to show you, that I wanted people to see when they click on that tag. Now, I've shown you how to do quite a few different tags, and you can add many more tags. But let's say that you're done and you're proud of what you have right now. You're going to click on done. And now, here you have your product, but how do you share it? You click on here on share, and you can embed the code, or you can share it to a PowerPoint to publish on social media, or you can share the link either by hiding the ThingLink interface or by not hiding the ThingLink interface. You just click copy and you send it. You can even make a QR code if you would like. This is how the product will look with the ThingLink interface. And without the ThingLink interface, it would just be with a black background. So let me show you. If I hover over here, it shows the tag. If I go over here and I click on the picture, it shows the images and the text that I wanted to show. I click over here, it'll pop up the video. And if I click over here, it'll pop up the website that I wanted everybody to see. And that is how you create an image product here on ThingLink.